Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to do a review on battery charger which is used for car. So its specification says that it can charge battery from 7 Ah to around 120 Ah I think. So it might be able to charge inverter batteries, but I'm not sure. So this is my battery, and this is I think its rating, it's around 35 Ah, and it's totally discharged. So I bought this one. I bought it for around 1600 rupees, but I think its price should be around 1200, but due to lockdown I think they are charging higher, but still it seems to be working fine. It has two wires, one is positive and another one is negative, so it can just go through on a battery. You can just see the plus point and negative points on the battery, and they comes with a clamp, so it can just attach to it, and when you turn it on, it will show something like this. So power on and the charging on. So I'm just thinking that after getting charged it will just move to the next one, charging cutoff light. So at that time we should be able to see that it has been charged. So this is my experience. It seems to be good, but wiring thing, it's like I don't think it will last for long. So I need to be very careful when taking out and when I going to store it. So if I show you, the plus point should be visible. Somewhere here. So as you can see, this is the plus point which is visible in the battery, and similarly on the another side you will see a minus point. So red wire is used for plus and black wire is used for negative, and this is how this unit will look like, and it is connected with this output. So it's not a 3 plug, because 12 volt battery doesn't need that kind of wiring. So it's pretty straightforward stuff, and you will see also on and off. So I will create another video for showing whether it will automatically cut off or not. So I have searched over the internet, and this is we should be charging this for around 18 hours. So I have just start doing that around 11:30. So let's see. Okay, bye. Hi guys, so I'm back. So it's been like 18 hours, and I have connected this battery with this charger. So it turned out to be like this light was keep it on, like it was still showing like it's still charging, and this will never turn on. So charging cutoff is not working with this particular thing. So I have also tried to use multimeter with this, and with multimeter I got a reading like when I just connected it for half an hour, it was showing around I think 12.3, and while charging it was showing more than 13.4 volts. So I have read some specification on the internet, and they says that when you charge battery, so it will have more voltage because of the charging current. So you need to put it to rest, battery. I'm talking about the battery. So you need to disconnect the charger and make it your battery rest, and then you need to try this voltage testing. So I did that. It's around I think 2 hours or so. So I'm not charging that, and let's see what readings we got from it. So in order to see what voltage our battery has, we need to use a voltmeter. So in order to use it, you need to add positive to this thing where volt is mentioned and com with the ground. So because we need to use volts, so we need to select this 20 because our charger is of 12 volt, so 20 should be fine. I don't have lower than that, so I need to use this. It will work. So what you need to do is you need to connect positive wire to positive and negative wire to negative. So this is my positive. I have shown it before. So I will just connect it and see. So it's currently showing 12.92. So if I put it here, you might be able to see it. So as you can see, it's 12.9. So according to the internet, if your battery is fully charged, it should show around 12.8 to 12.9 something. Some battery shows 13.1 as well. So I'm assuming that it's fully charged. So the only thing pending is testing it on my car. So I will go today and see whether it did work or not. So one thing is for sure, even after 18 hours, this doesn't turn on charging cutoff light, which is this. So it keeps on showing that charging on. So if you are really keen about it, like you need to have something which will auto cut off, this product is not for you. But for emergency purposes, if it is able to start my car, so I think it's not a bad product because I bought it around 1600 rupees. So let's see, I will get back and tell you my experience. तो जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये बैटरी मैंने कनेक्ट कर ली है और ये सही चल गई है। आपको बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि ढंग से कनेक्ट कर देखना है, क्योंकि ये जो क्लैंप होते हैं ना, ये क्लैंप जब तक कनेक्ट नहीं होंगे बैटरी में करंट नहीं जाता है। इनसे नहीं होता, ये जो नीचे क्लैंप है ये, क्योंकि ये तार जा रहा है इसमें। तो ये बात ध्यान रखना, मैं भूल गया था, तो ये लगा दोगे तो काम हो जाएगा। तो चार्जर सही चल रहा है। चलो।